For this cake, the filling is made in 2 parts, and since the first part is made from eggs that need to be pasteurized, we'll do that first. We'll place 4 whole eggs into a bowl that you can place over steam. You can also do this in a saucepan. To the eggs, we add 5 tablespoons of sugar. Then mix everything well with a mixer. We beat the eggs for several minutes, and they should look like this. In a smaller pot, we pour about 2 centimeters of water. Then place the bowl with the eggs in it. When the water boils, we cook it for about 10 minutes. Once the water boils, reduce to medium heat to avoid splashing. While cooking, pay attention to the heat level. The heat should not be too high. If you see egg bits while stirring, it means the heat was too high and you've cooked the eggs too much. More accurately, overcooked. Lower heat is better, so cook a little longer. After about 10 minutes, remove this bowl from the heat. While the first part cools, we'll prepare the crust. We've placed 300 grams of ground plasma biscuits into a bowl. Then we add 100 grams of melted margarine or butter. And 100 milliliters of milk. Then we mix everything together. The crust mixture should remain crumbly like this. And now that everything's combined, it's done. We take a tray and place a 25 by 25 centimeter ring on it. 30 by 20 works too, or you can use a regular baking dish. We put the entire crust mixture in the tray and press it down like this. We press the crust firmly into the tray and refrigerate while we make the cream. We whip 500 milliliters of whipping cream. Here I have milk-based and unsweetened, so I'll add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. If you opt for plant-based cream, you don't need sugar. Don't whip it too much because we'll mix it further. Now we add the cooled eggs. Then we add 90 grams, which is 2 packets, of powdered whipped cream. Mix everything together. Break 150 grams of plasma biscuits into the cream mixture. Break them so there are both larger and smaller pieces. Mix everything gently with a spatula. With plant-based cream, this mixture will be thicker. So if it gets too firm, add more milk. We take the mold out of the fridge and spread the cream over the crust. We smooth it out and return it to the fridge to chill well. If it hadn't fallen out here, it would be even more wonderful.